Hey, I'm Kyle from KC Tool, and I'm here with a closer look at Wiha System 4 Precision Blade Screwdriver Set. The set includes a precision handle with rotating cap for precise control, and a number of different replaceable blades. The blades come with Phillips, slotted, Torx, posi drive, hex, and nut driver, and a lot of them are available with tips on both ends. The blades are made of a super high quality CVM steel, hardened and hard chrome finished for extreme durability. That's a closer look at Wiha's System 4 Precision Blade Set.